Welcome to your comprehensive interactive study guide on Shakespeare's Macbeth. Written around 1606, this tragedy explores the psychological and political consequences of regicide in a world deeply influenced by Jacobean beliefs about the divine right of kings, witchcraft, and the natural order. Your exam requires you to synthesize plot knowledge with sophisticated analysis of language, form, and structure, while integrating relevant contextual factors. Let's break down the key elements to help you excel. Let's map out the core literary concepts. Macbeth's hamartia is his vaulting ambition, leading to his downfall. The witches use equivocation to deceive him, while dramatic irony heightens tension. Duncan praises the castle where he will be murdered. Key techniques like soliloquies reveal inner thoughts, and contrasting verse forms highlight character status. Recurring motifs like blood develop themes of guilt, and foreshadowing prepares us for tragedy. Turning to our core study notes, the plot unfolds across 5 acts. Act 1 establishes the witches' prophecies and Lady Macbeth's ambition. Act 2 features the murder of Duncan and Macbeth's coronation. In Act 3, Macbeth's paranoia leads to Banquo's murder and the ghostly banquet. Act 4 brings new prophecies and the brutal slaughter of Macduff's family. Act 5 culminates in Lady Macbeth's guilt-driven madness and Macbeth's death at Macduff's hands. Macbeth's psychological journey is a process of moral decay. Initially, he hesitates to kill Duncan, but Lady Macbeth pushes him. The dagger soliloquy reveals his conflicted mind. After the murder, he is consumed by guilt and paranoia, hearing voices and seeing Banquo's ghost. His tyranny hardens into empty defiance as he realizes the prophesied equivocation. This transformation is central to understanding the tragedy. Let's work through an 8-mark exam question. Start by identifying language features in the extract, like the hyperbole of Neptune washing blood. Connect to form. The soliloquy reveals his tormented mind. Then link to context. The Jacobean audience would see this as divine punishment. Compare with his wife's attitude to highlight dramatic irony. Finally, use key terms like motif and metaphor to show sophisticated analysis. Watch out for common pitfalls. Many students lose marks by simply summarizing the plot. Instead, always focus on how Shakespeare uses language, structure, and dramatic devices to create meaning. Use precise terminology, and link every point to a key theme. Integrate context seamlessly, don't bolt on. And crucially, embed short quotations with analysis to show your close reading skills. To wrap up, remember that Macbeth's hamartia and hubris drive his downfall. Shakespeare uses equivocation and dramatic irony to deceive characters and the audience. Soliloquies reveal his inner conflict, while motifs like blood and sleep develop themes of guilt and lost innocence. Contextual knowledge of Jacobean beliefs is essential. Focus on key scenes such as the dagger soliloquy and Lady Macbeth sleepwalking. For exams, use the PEL structure to build strong analytical paragraphs. Good luck with your revision.